What's up, guys? It's Brandon Page, aka Give Me Talk Show, and we're back with another video. Today is Jake Paul, cause you know I react every day. But today is paintball, gun shower, scam, prank wars.
Sorry,
Let's get it.
Erica. Sorry for interrupting your shower.
Oh my head.
It's 6:45 a.m. No one is awake right now. Jake Paulers, this is where you gotta want it. This is where you gotta hustle. Let's get the day started.
The thing about this, that dude, I used to do that when I was younger. That's the thing about it. Dude, you tell me he doesn't get annoyed about that? That'd be so annoying.
Just getting the vlog going. Dab on them haters. I hope
Dab.
you're having a great day. Make sure you smile. I don't know if I said that this morning. Make sure you work hard and make sure you dab. You don't have to dab, but if you want to, just do it.
You've been a big proponent of the dabs lately.
Yeah, I invented the dab.
Did you?
Yeah, it wasn't Migos.
That's crazy.
It wasn't Migos. It was Jake Paul.
Learn something new every day.
116,000 views in 13 minutes. Jake Paulers, we're
bro.
out here, cuz.
Hey, why are we
Bro,
not getting
how's
that?
the future looking?
Hold on.
Pretty bright. The future of our YouTube channel is looking really bright.
Yes, sir.
The end of the sun.
Wow. Wait, guys. Wait, are you watching my vlog?
Yes.
And you have a pop socket?
Yeah.
Wow, you guys are Jake Paulers. Wait, you're wearing
Sir.
my merch?
Oh,
Wow,
oh.
you're a Jake Paul. Oh! Jake Pauler? What?
Merch?
You're a Jake Pauler. Caught all of you guys. Are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed I caught you? No. What? Yo!
That shirt! I actually wanted that shirt. What a jerk.
Yo!
That was not nice.
Yo!
Aw.
He just threw my merch in the pool. He said he's not a Jake Pauler anymore. Yo, you got a pop socket too? Sorry, you're moving out now, Anthony.
Bye, Anthony. We'll go back to Ohio.
Yeah.
Ohio.
Yeah, dude. I'm not a Jake Pauler anymore. It's cool. You can't escape the Jake Paulers. The Jake Paulers can't be escaped because this is more of my
Yo,
merch.
that looks cool
This
with
was
camo.
actually
I love
cool.
camo shirt. That looks dope. That looks dope.
Oh, cool. Wake up, kid.
What time is it?
It's like 4 p.m.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah, as soon as you hit 100K, you just sleep into
I'm an
like.
influencer now.
Yeah, you just gotta sleep in.
My
now.
I
influence.
just sleep all day, post a pic, and go back to bed.
Yeah.
Were you laying with your Jake?
I was ready.
Yo, that's what I'm saying, bro. No one can escape it, bro. It's everywhere, cuz.
You can't scare me.
Why did you not get scared?
I just living here really prepares you.
Oh, I'll scare you. Let's go right now. I got something planned.
What's he about to do? What is that? What is that?
Okay, so Erica says she doesn't
You
get
got-
scared, guys. The whole day I've been planning this. I got this paintball gun, which I have to figure out how to put together.
shoot, he's
I'm
about to
gonna make
shoot
sure
her.
it's loaded, run up on everyone, and start blasting them. It's not gonna be actually loaded.
Oh.
We're gonna see their reaction. How do you work this? Made in China.
China. Yeah. I was about to start rapping.
All I have to do is screw this in. We should be able to go. Alright, I'm gonna do a test fire. It might be loud though, so I might blow my cover.
Dude, that scared me, bro. That scared me.
Alright, let's go get him.
What?
Paying that, bro. Oh.
It looks so real. Right?
Play.
Bro, it's like you almost feel it. You like
He
think
does.
so much about it, you almost feel it.
Oh yeah. Because I had to put it on the tripod for this, for you.
Yeah, which is why you would get the camera guy first, right? Makes sense. Makes sense.
They're outside. I don't think they know what like a paintball gun is.
They think it's real for sure. No, bro, they'll think it's a real gun.
Martinez, look.
Yo, no, stop, stop.
jumping in the air.
It looks like he got shot. Look.
Oh, we caught some paint.
It looks like he got shot. And this is just your sweatshirt? Yeah.
Yo, that's a perfect sweatshirt to wear for this prank. You guys know paintball. Paintball.
Paintball.
Okay, so they just thought you were coming at him with a real gun.
That's okay.
He can't even get off the couch. Dude, you're funny.
Bro,
You should put real paintballs in them and shoot them at me.
I'll shoot you. The girls are out and about right now, and then we're gonna get them after Nick. That's a good call. See this?
Yo, no. Dude, he's scared of everything.
Alright, I'm done. Let's go. Did he jump? I didn't even look. I was just like, should I get a chance with the real ones? Dude, I'd be down, but I know this is gonna like come to bite me if like anything ever happens to me. You want poop? You see my tag? No.
Yo, no. He's taking a dump.
How's your poop, Chance? He got up from the toilet, yo.
Yo, he didn't wipe!
Ew.
So, Chad wanted me to actually shoot him. And what I realized about this is that now there's a paintball gun in the Team 10 house. It's fine.
Okay.
Trust me, it's fine.
No,
Only
he's
one.
not gonna
Just
shoot.
Just one.
one time.
He's not
One
gonna
wall.
shoot him.
It's fine.
Yeah, that's cool.
Stand there, Chad.
Please don't hit my Martinez tattoo. It's new. I like it.
Wow. This is dumb. Jake Paulers, it's every day, bro.
Wait. How lit are you gonna light me up?
Just once.
Do twice or something.
Okay. I was gonna do twice anyways.
Okay,
I was just telling you once. All right, ready?
Let me tell you, the first time I got shot by a paintball gun in my thigh, it left like colorful circle. It was the most pain. I ran out there saying hit, hit. I was so hurt. That crap hurts.
Oh, let me see.
Way worse.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Through the dirt!
Yo, that's really bad.
The pressure on it's so high right now. You have to lower it when you get it. I totally forgot about that.
Pain is through the shirt.
Can we get a replay on that?
Bleeding.
Yeah.
It's every day, bro.
Ow!
The paintballs came for you, bro.
Isn't it tradition to get shot in the balls? So we should. Yeah. We should do that.
No, that's too far. Here's what I'm thinking, bro. When the girls come home, just be like, yeah. Just turn around and be like, yeah, Jake paintballed me. Like this, and show them it, and then it'll like be a pause for a second, and then I'm gonna like run up on them
Dude,
with
the
paintball
shirt,
gun.
bro.
They're
That's
gonna
crazy.
freak out. They're gonna freak out.
2,000 years later.
Yo, look at what I did to Chad. Wait, pull it up higher.
Yo!
That's from the I like paintball people.
Would you do that? Why would you let it happen twice? That's not real.
He told me to do it twice.
That's not real.
It's real. Look at it.
Wow. That's gonna hurt for a while.
Yeah.
So my turn? I'm just kidding. I'm just no.
Oh,
Works so well. They're about to be so excited.
Which is good.
Let's get Tessa first, and then Erica. Tessa, it's your turn.
she's so scared. She would have been shot. Come on, bro.
Did you think you were gonna die?
Yes.
Yes.
Like aiming at my face.
And you saw his.
Yeah. So I was gonna look like I had like some weird stuff.
Alright, let's go get Erica. Nah. She like magically accidentally shoots Erica. And
Wait, no.
Oh.
I got one of these.
Tessa, you know that we got.
Dude, they real life got a tattoo on their foot.
Yeah, he was. You were so scared.
Dude, I was pants down, just bracing the door.
Erica. Your turn.
What the hell? Jay! Get out of my room!
He's so scared.
It's not real. What the heck?
No!
You have lied to them or something?
Tessa!
That's actually scary. How did you not scream? How did I not
God.
scream? I did scream. I did scream. I'm like actually shaking because he obviously doesn't mind doing it to people.
Boys, load them up. Sorry, Erica. Sorry for interrupting your shower. Savage. Trendy artists be like. That'll be $10,000. It is a memoir from DJ
Memoir.
Straight from Italy. The French painting Picasso, preserved for years. No. Low-key, we can sell that though. Yeah. Jake Paulers, check out this brand new merchandise painting. It is now available. Jake Paulers, what's poppin'? Check out this new merch. No, I'm joking. Well, should we throw this in the lagoon?
No.
Yep. Dude, I
Why?
mean, think about it. It's either you're gonna leave it lying around, someone's gonna get shot.
Yeah.
I mean, look at Chen.
Lagoon!
Lagoon. Lagoon.
Lagoon! Lagoon! Oh no!
That's a paintball gun.
Why? Like why? You literally just got that.
Why are you hating?
No!
Dang.
Jay, that's not even funny. Like I'm not even gonna joke. Jay! No, oh no!
Alright, we won't do that.
Give me a heart attack.
Give me a heart attack.
Yeah. I think we need to clean up more. Yep. Yep, that goes in the lagoon. Guys, cleaning session. Anything you don't want, put it in the lagoon. No, we don't need those. No, we don't. Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, those are the flowers of the date.
Cool. Yeah, no, we don't need
Dude,
that.
they're so freaking retarded.
Okay. Alright, well, how do we, the real question is how do we have this much stuff? Okay, no, oh, well, that's flammable. That's flammable. How do we have this much stuff?
They're
is the
so
real question.
stupid.
Oh, what is that, Chance? Oh, okay. That's my Picasso painting. You missed. Is that lit? That's lit. That's artsy. Oh, that's an. Oh, okay. Yeah, we definitely. Okay. Oh,
He just
that's
ruined a
plant.
perfectly
Wow.
nice pool.
Is that a Lamborghini?
But I say we drive it in.
Wait, is this the one that I'm getting? Nah.
Yeah.
At least we cleaned up a little bit. And Jake Paulers, the Team 10 house is clean. We got some chores done. Today was a great day. It's getting dark outside. We're about to go to the gym. If you want to see it, it's going to be on my Instagram at Jake Paul. Follow me there. I'm going to be liking some of your pictures back. Today's post notification shout out goes to Eva Schneider. Eva, thank you so much for having my post notifications turned on. Guys, if you want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn on my post notifications when you were done. And Jake Paulers, we will see you tomorrow because it's every day, bro. Peace. Jake Paulers, what?
Alright, well guys, that was a lit video. Well, if you want to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Y'all know it. The outro every time. Peace.